Okay, I am once again at Almeida Genoa in Cleckley. This pole right here was down yesterday. Okay, looks like they got it back up, but there was no one here to control traffic, which could have created a bad traffic accident. So I'm wondering if there's a lack of traffic directors, police officers in the area. No one was here. We don't want any accidents to happen. The other thing I was thinking too is California Highway Patrol has Lambos to catch the speeders. I haven't seen any Lambo cars out here, but I haven't really seen any Lambos either, but there are a lot of race cars. So I'm recommending that the Houston Police Department gets a racing cop car. Something that hits hard, like these race cars out here. What do you think, people? Should the cops get a race car?